Pose.
Still family,
it's your boy Dono.
and it's your girl Nene, and welcome to day 3 of VLOGMASS.
Can't get all that exercise though. I'm not having a great day.
Yes, but it is still a blessing to be here, y'all. Not gonna lie, Vlogmas is probably going to be a little bit challenging, not only because we have to figure out what to record, but we also have to be in somewhat of a good mood to record for y'all for the next 23 days. I just almost tripped trying to walk backwards, but that's neither here nor there. We're at the what? Ooh, it's poop. I just almost stepped in Dookie. Y'all can see some geese over there. No, you shouldn't. Y'all, he be doing too much, and I don't want them to come over here and try to attack me. That one is behind you. He looking at you like, what you doing? To your left, look. He over there having fun, y'all. He think it's funny. You should try to pet one. Yeah, they not intimidated by you. Let's walk around first. I hope I didn't step in Dookie. Ooh, y'all close. Well then, yeah. Ooh, I need to pay attention to the floor. I mean the ground. Y'all, look at this big piece. No, it's the birds. Look at it, y'all. That is disgusting. I know they're probably like, why did you just show me bird Dookie? My bad. Anyways, we're just walking around. It's freezing outside. I have on a cropped hoodie with a blue vest, some leggings, and my beanie, and some New Balances. Donald has on a gray sweater with some sweats and his dunks. And yeah, it's cold as fuck, y'all. Like real cold. Starting to feel like winter. Scenery is nice. Lots of trees. I low-key have to pee, but I don't want to use the public bathroom. I low-key have to pee, but I don't want to use the public bathroom, so we're gonna hold it until we get home. He went and got his basketball.
Anybody watching this can't guard me. I promise you. Half of y'all can't even do this type of shit.
Dang. Slipped out of your hands there. What he not gonna tell y'all is when he start getting cocky and big-headed, he start missing all his shots.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you do.
Only miss a couple. If that.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't literally played basketball in months. All we've been doing is skating.
Yeah, that's true.
I haven't been going to the gym or nothing. My legs have been getting stronger from skating. My calf muscles. But
And thighs. Y'all, it is cold. Literally. I can't wait until I get this cast off so I can wear my North Face. If y'all know me, y'all know I wear my North Face down to the T every day.
is that food?
Mm-hmm. You can hear it. It sounds like little pop rocks. That's what they sound like. It looks so nice out here. Look at the tree. So beautiful. Nature. Oh, look at our shadow.
Yeah, no. It don't look like you have booty.
They look flat, dang. It's crazy. I like the trees that have like the different color leaves on it. It reminds me of fall. It's so pretty. But we're not really doing much today, guys. We're just chilling at the park. Probably gonna play basketball. I'm probably not. I'm probably gonna let you shoot.
Play.
But my nails. And I only have one hand.
What? I forgot about that.
Yep.
Well, it doesn't matter because you're not beating me in the one ever again.
Yeah, you guys. I don't know if you've heard this story before, but I'll always keep telling it. First time we ever played basketball against each other, I won. And he was actually trying to. I did not.
To win the game.
I did not. I won. Period. And that's that.
You got lucky.
I didn't get lucky. There's
You
no
hit me-
such thing
you
as
hit
luck.
me in the
I'm
ding-a-ling.
blessed.
You hit me in the ding-a-ling.
I didn't hit you
And
nowhere.
then you got an open layup. Did we record? We should have recorded that game. So we could see what really happened. And how I got cheated.
You didn't get cheated. You're good at basketball. You should be able to overcome any obstacle.
I don't hear none of that.
See, he
Like
keep losing that ball.
It's like if I beat you in a dance battle. That doesn't mean I'm better than you. It just means, you know, I did what I needed to do. That doesn't mean you're better.
I was better that day.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was. That's why I won. That's why I won.
You weren't.
Because I was
missing-
better.
I was just missing shots.
Because I was better. Exactly. You was missing them and I was making them.
Even though you won, I was still like better than you overall.
Is that how it works
People
in the
who-
real world?
People who are better than you at something understand what I'm talking about. Like, even if someone beats you, that doesn't necessarily mean they're better than you. Even if it's just that day. Still not better.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, blah, blah. It's no blah, blah.
Blah, blah.
Oh. Blah, blah. That's it. Blah, blah, there's a ding-a-ling. How
No.
about that?
No.
Yeah, it's too cold.
Yeah, it is, y'all. It's really cold. I seen a video earlier. It was like, the white people got on pants and light sweaters, so that means I should have came out here in a snowsuit. And that's so true because, like, different people be cold. Like, you know, like, the white people in this weather, they be living it up. Like, they still be going surfing. They be, like, outside with shorts and sandals on and no sweater. And look at me with a beanie, a sweater, a vest, and I would have on Uggs. Like, did they redo the court?
Yeah.
Come
But I
here.
want to stay on it. That's why, you remember they had construction on it?
Uh-uh.
They did.
Los Angeles Clippers. I didn't know they redid it.
Yeah, looks way better. And the court's way better.
Yep.
That's a real court right here. I wish we could like lower it down so I could dunk.
Why don't you just dunk on that? Is that the height that basketball players be?
I mean, no.
Is higher?
It's the same thing.
So that's the height
is
that
just
basketball player, like NBA players.
I mean, yeah, the other court was the same way.
So they dunk on that.
Yes. LeBron and all of them, yeah. But they're also 6'8" and 6 foot and taller. They should be dunking.
Oh.
I almost can dunk and I'm like 5'8".
You look so bright. You look like a white boy.
First shot.
You missed? Dang. Okay.
Back like I never left. Nothing new.
It's a baby watching him, y'all. She's so cute.
Shit's so easy.
Look,
This is second nature.
she been watching you. Dang. See? What I tell y'all, when he get big-headed, that's when he start missing all his shots. He only did that to prove me wrong. What's going on with that side?
Had a bounce line.
Dang, air ball.
My elbow hurt.
Don't try to make an excuse. Ooh, that wind's starting to blow, y'all. It's cold. Like, for real. It's cold. Ooh. Okay, I see smoke coming out of my mouth. No, do my breath stink? So maybe you should stop shooting.
This is a great court. This is honestly my dream. To have a house with like this type of court in the backyard. And a pool. That's a dream. And it's gonna come to life.
Yep.
One day. You know how many rich kids have this? They don't even put this to use. They could be so much better than what they are. They literally have a whole court. And they have to go to the park and shit. Have to figure out how to go play basketball. You gotta buy gym memberships. When they be having this, but an indoor gym and shit, they don't be deserving that. They be playing Fortnite all day. They do not be caring about this at all. Just be sitting.
You heard it here, folks.
Huh?
Inspirational, Dono. Let me see if I can shoot with one hand.
Can she make it? Her first shot, yes, it's good. Great shot. Oh, you could do better than that. Okay.
I'm scared my ring gonna come off.
It's not.
Because it's not supposed to be on that figure.
So what? Take it off. Ooh. Look at her. She's so pretty. With her petite self. Dang. One hand with the camera. Oh. Yeah.
You're cool.
Alright, so basically this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to each spot, then I'm gonna go to the 3-point line.
How long is that gonna take?
I can't miss 2 times in a row.
Okay. If you do, then what? I get $20?
Sure.
Okay.
See, like this one spot, 2, 3, 4, free throw, then over there. Then I'm gonna go to the corner, then that spot.
All the way around, basically.
Then that one, then that one. I already made it there, so I passed that level. This is so easy.
Big headed. See? Y'all see it? 2 times in a row. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you thought.
Oh, okay.
Ain't too big headed.
Okay, now the free throw line.
What?
Dang.
Ah, I'm so scared. Ah. This is going in. Ah. You thought again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I'm so flexed. Give me the ball at the end of the game.
Right after he said that.
What?
Oh, dang. I guess that means you owe me $20.
Double or nothing.
So 40?
Yeah.
Okay. Ain't no double or nothing.
Yes. Double or nothing. I wasn't fully focused. I'm just getting warmed up. How the fuck doesn't that go in? Doesn't even make any sense. Ram is cheating. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling it. Told you I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Same spot. Now you gotta run and go get it. Do men not ever think of the consequences of their actions before they do stuff? But side note, I look cute. Sun is hitting. I don't know why our microphone keeps getting blocked, but skin is bomb. Lips look bomb. Okay, what? Period. Get y'all me. He finally made it to the 3-point line, you guys. Dang. Y'all, I can't wait to get this cast off. My hands have been so dry and peely and just yucky. They just look like, ugh. I don't know what's going on with it. But, yeah. Just finna try to make it from half court. It's freezing. My hands are like ice blocks.
It's not nice at work.
Yeah. Can start coming. Ooh, it's poop in the grass. Me too. I've been holding it though. I'm gonna pee at home.
We're gonna wait until you get all the way home.
To your house.
Oh.
Whew. We're gonna try and get Vlogmas out early for you guys today. I know for the past 2 days we kind of got it out around 8, 9 o'clock. So we're gonna try and push it out a little earlier today, so y'all can watch it before y'all go to beds, nights. And yeah.
Thinking about it, streaming does seem fun. I just wouldn't want to do it every day.
Yeah, but it's also kind of like, what do you like? Because we're not talkative people for real. Like,
I mean, we could just have like special guests.
yeah, that's true.
And also, like, people may ask us to react to videos and stuff. I want to start reacting to videos, y'all.
Comment down below if y'all want us to react to videos.
I feel like you guys would like our reactions. We just have to have a setup. Because I really don't know how to do a reaction video.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult. We tried a long time ago and it kind of didn't really work out. So let us know if that's something that you
comment
guys
how
would
to
want
do
to
it
see.
if y'all know how to do it. How to like set that up without having any extra equipment.
Yep. It's freezing. Like, my face is freezing. My hands are freezing. And I put on the heat warmers and everything. Whew. But that is it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you guys for tuning in to the 3rd day of Vlogmas. Day 4 is tomorrow. And yes, we love you guys. Have an amazing month. Have an amazing rest of your day. And have an amazing week. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace. Prosperities. Whatever that means.